Hey there, this is CG Park. Hello. In this video, we will be focusing specifically on fur. Fur is a critical element in creating LABUBU. If you feel that fur seems difficult, please don't worry. If you follow the steps in this video, you will not only be able to easily incorporate fur, but also gain skills that can be applied to creating other characters. Now, let's get started. First, select the model you want to add fur to and press Shift-A and select Empty Hair from the Curve menu. The reason for not selecting fur is that you can only choose from 3 types of guide curve density, which doesn't allow for fine-tuning. Select the added curve in the outliner and add a modifier. Add Generate Hair Curve and select the desired model for the surface. Adjust the length and density of the guide curve in the parameters, and once finalized, press Apply. Next, add Interpolate hair curves to increase the number of strands. Edit the guide curve using a temporary sparse amount of hair, not the final total amount. At this stage, assign a material so that you can easily visualize the final look. Add Set Hair Curve Profile to edit the thickness of the strands. Switch to Sculpt mode, and with mirroring turned on, use the Comb brush to create the hair flow. Use the Add brush to add curves in areas where there are large gaps between the guide curves. When doing so, check Length, Shape, and Point Count under Interpolate in the brush's tool settings. This eliminates the need to adjust the shape of the added curve from scratch.
Next is the explanation of the modifiers. First, we add a large wave with the Hair Curve Noise modifier. The parameters are as follows. I adjusted this so that the silhouette is slightly distorted. Furthermore, we add another noise modifier on top of that. The intention is clear if I turn off the display. Without the noise, the hair flow looks monotonous and uniform. Next, since I want to add a sense of clumping, I'll add Clump Hair Curves. By default, existing guide map should be checked, but we will uncheck it. Add Frizz Hair Curves to introduce noise to individual hair strands, and finally, we use Trim Hair Curves to randomize the length of the hair. That concludes the explanation.
Next, we will apply fur to the ears in the same way. This time, instead of using Generate Hair Curves, we will use the Add brush to add curves to ensure perfect symmetry. Once the guide curve's adjustments are mostly complete, copy the modifier created for the head earlier. First, select the ear curves, then hold down Control and select the head curves. Select Copy Modifiers with Control L. This will cause the curves to move to the head. This happens because the surface of the interpolate hair curves is still set to the head model. Changing it to the ear model will fix this. Adjust the hair density and noise size to suit the ear model. Finally, here is a digest of the process for creating the body and arms. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. This LABUBU series concludes with this video. Did your LABUBU turn out cute? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you again. Bye-bye.